Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to our English Grammar Tips. Today our topic is Tools of Research. Objective of this unit is identify the tool of research, explain the types of research tools, discuss the characteristics, scope and types of the following: questionnaire, checklist, rating scale, score, cards, attitude scale. Introduction. In every research work, if it is essential to collect factual material or data unknown or untapped so far, they can be obtained from many sources, direct or indirect. Relevant data, adequate in quantity and quality should be collected. They should be sufficient, reliable and valid. जब भी आपने रिसर्च करनी है तो जो आपका डाटा है इट शुड बी sufficient, reliable and valid. For checking new unknown data required for the study of any problem, you may use various devices, instruments, apparatus and appliances. For each and every type of research, we need certain instruments to gather new facts or to explore new fields. The instruments thus employed as means for collecting data are called selection of suitable instrument or tools. The selection of the suitable instruments or tool is of vital importance for successful research. Different tools are suitable for collecting various kind of information for various purposes. The research worker may use one or more of the tools in combination for his purpose. सिग्निफिकेंस ऑफ रिसर्च टूल्स, इनकी इम्पोर्टेंस, इनकी सिग्निफिकेंस क्या है? द प्रोग्रेस ऑफ एनी एजुकेशनल प्रोग्राम वेरी मच डिपेंड्स अपॉन वेल कंडक्शन रिसर्च. It postulates sufficient, reliable and valid facts. Such facts are normally obtained through a systematic procedure which involves various devices. Major tools. Number 1, inquiry form, questionnaire, checklist, scorecard, interview schedule, rating scale, attitude scales, observation, interview, sociometry, tests. What is questionnaire? अब आप इस questionnaire के बारे में सुने कि questionnaire क्या होता है. A questionnaire is a systematic compilation of questions that are submitted to a sampling of population from which information is desired. Barr, डेविस एंड जॉनसन. करेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ अ गुड क्वेश्चनर. अब इसकी क्वालिटीज़ क्या हैं? एक क्वेश्चनर, अच्छे क्वेश्चनर की क्वालिटीज़ क्या हैं, करेक्टरिस्टिक्स क्या हैं? डील विद एन इम्पॉर्टेंट एंड सिग्निफिकेंट टॉपिक. इट्स सिग्निफिकेंस इज केयरफुली स्टेटेड ऑन इट्स कवरिंग लेटर. इट इज़ एज शॉर्ट एज पॉसिबल, ओनली लॉन्ग इनफ टू गेट द एसेंशियल डाटा. इट इज़ अट्रैक्टिव इन अपीयरेंस. ये याद रखिएगा कि जब भी क्वेश्चनर की बात होती है तो इसकी बहुत बड़ी क्वालिटी ये है कि इट इज़ शॉर्ट एज पॉसिबल. ठीक है, इट इज़ एज शॉर्ट एज पॉसिबल, ओनली लॉन्ग इनफ टू गेट द एसेंशियल डाटा. सिर्फ उतना ही लंबा आपने करना है जितनी आपको ज़रूरत है इसकी, या जिससे बस आपका मकसद, आपके पॉइंट्स, आपके वर्ड्स क्लियर हो जाएँ. इट इज़ अट्रैक्टिव इन अपीयरेंस. डायरेक्शंस आर क्लियर एंड कंप्लीट. इसमें हमेशा डायरेक्शंस क्लियर होती हैं, बंदे को किसी किस्म का अबहाम, कोई शक शुबा नहीं होता. Important terms are clarified. The next is the questions are objective with no clues, hint or suggestions. Questions are pretended in a order from simple to complex. Double negatives, adverbs and descriptive adjectives are avoided. Double-barreled questions or putting two questions in one question are also avoided. तो एक के अंदर दो क्वेश्चन आपने नहीं डालने और क्लियर इंस्ट्रक्शन देनी है, तब आपका क्वेश्चनर जो है वो बेहतरीन क्वेश्चनर काउंट होगा. मेरिट्स ऑफ क्वेश्चनर मेथड. इट इज़ इकोनॉमिकल. इट इज़ अ टाइम सेविंग प्रोसेस. इट कवर्स द रिसर्च इन वाइड एरिया. इट्स very suitable for special type of responses. It is most reliable in special cases. Demerits of questionnaire method. Through this, we get only limited responses. Number 2, lack of personal contact. Number 3, greater possibility of wrong answers, यानी इससे बहुत से आंसर जो हैं वो गलत भी हमें मिल सकते हैं. Chances of receiving incomplete response are more. Sometimes answers may be eligible. Number 6, it may be useless in many problems. Interview schedule. An interview schedule is basically a list containing a set of structured questions that have been prepared to serve as a guide for interviewers, researchers, and investigators in collecting information or data about a specific topic or issues. Advantages. An interview schedule facilitates the conduct of an interview. It increases the likelihood of collecting accurate information or data. It allows interviewers and researchers to get more information. The rate and amount of responses are higher. It offers flexibility and high customization. Checklist. A checklist. What is a checklist? It is a type of informational job aid used to reduce failure by compensating for potential limits of human memory and attention. It helps to ensure consistent and competencies in carrying out a task. A basic example is to-do list, a more advanced checklist which lays out tasks to be done according to the time of a day or other factors. Useful in educational field in the following ways: to collect acts for educational surveys, to record behavior in observational studies, to use in educational appraisal studies of school buildings, property, plans, textbook, instructional procedure and outcomes, etc. To rate the personality, to know the interest of the subject also. Cutter's inverse interest inventory and Strong's interest blank are also checklists. Hints or constructing checklist. आपने किस तरह checklist बनानी है? Atoms in checklist may be continuous or divided into groups of related terms. Atoms should be arranged in categories and the categories in a logical or psychological order. Terms used in atoms should be clearly defined. Checklist should be continuous and comprehensive in nature. A pilot study should be taken to make it standardized. Checklist can be constructed in 4 different ways by arranging atoms differently. Rating scale. Rating scale is one of the inquiry form. Form is a term applied to expression or judgment regarding some situation, object or character. Opinions are usually expressed on a scale of values. Rating techniques are devices by which such judgments may be quantified. Rating scale is a very useful device in assessing quality, especially when quality is difficult to measure objectively. For example, how good was the performance is a question which can hardly be answered objectively. किसी की भी performance को check करना और उसे बयान करना ये it is very difficult. Rating scales record judgment or opinions and indicates the degree or amount of different degrees of quality which are arranged along a line is the scale. For example, how good was the performance? Excellent, very good, good, average, below average, poor और very poor. तो ऐसी एक चेकलिस्ट आपके पास आती है जिसके ऊपर आपने ये बताना होता है कि इसकी जो ये इसकी एक बहुत बड़ी एग्जांपल है कि एक्सीलेंट है, वेरी गुड है, एवरेज है, बिलो एवरेज है, या पुअर है या वेरी पुअर है. दिस इज द मोस्ट कॉमनली यूज्ड इंस्ट्रूमेंट दिस इज मोस्ट कॉमनली यूज इंस्ट्रूमेंट, मस्ट लिखा है तो मोस्ट आएगा, मोस्ट कॉमनली यूज इंस्ट्रूमेंट फॉर मेकिंग अप्रेजल. इट हैज़ अ लार्ज वेराइटी ऑफ फॉर्म and uses. Typically, they direct attention to a number of aspects or traits of the things to be rated and provide a scale for assigning values to each of the aspects selected. They try to measure the nature or degree of a certain aspect or characterize. They try to measure the nature of or degrees to certain aspects or characteristics of a person or phenomenon through the use of series of numbers, quantitative terms or variable descriptions. In one of the arrangement, all atoms found in a situation are to be checked. For example, a subject may be asked to check in the blank side of each activity undertaken in a school. Number 2 point, in the second form, the respondent is asked to check with a yes or no, or asked to encircle or underline the response to the given atoms. For example, number 1 is, does your school have a house system? Yes or no. 3, in the form, all the atoms are positive statements with check to be marked in a column of a right of, for example, the school functions as a community center. Number 4 है, the periodical tests are held fortnightly, monthly, quarterly, regularly. The investigator has to select any one of the format appropriate to his problem and queries, or the combination of many as requires. 4 primary types of rating scales. Number 1, graphic rating scale. Graphic rating scales indicates the answer options on a scale of 1 to 3, 1 to 5, etc. Likert scale is a popular graphic rating scale example. Number 2 है numerical rating scale. Numerical rating scale has number as answer options and not each number corresponds to a characteristic or meaning. For instance, a visual analog scale or a semantic differential scale can be presented using a numerical rating scale. Descriptive rating scale. In a descriptive rating scale, each answer option is elaborately explained for the respondents. A numerical value is not always related to the answer options. In the descriptive rating scale, there are certain surveys, for example, a customer satisfaction survey, which needs to describe all the answer options in detail so that every customer has thoroughly explained information about what is expected from the survey. Number 2, comparative rating scale. Comparative rating scale, as the name suggests, expect respondents to answer the particular questions in terms of comparison. For example, organizations, products, features as a reference. Purpose of rating scale: teacher performance, effectiveness, personality, anxiety, stress, emotional intelligence, etc. School appraisal, including appraisals of courses, practices and programs. Useful hints of construction of rating scale. Number 1 is the subjects or the phenomena to be rated. Number 2, continuum along which they will be rated and the judges who will do the rating. Number 5 is scorecard. It is an elaborative form of rating scale which usually evaluate atoms in numerical form. Sometimes the two terms, the rating scale and the scorecard, are interchangeable. Number 2, scorecard is normally used to evaluate the worth of communication, building sites, schools, textbooks, socioeconomics, status of a family and an educated work. Attitude scale. An attitude may be defined as a learned emotional response set for against something. Bard David Johnson. Purpose of attitude scale: finding the attitudes of person on different issues like coeducation, religious education, corporal punishment, democracy in schools, linguistic prejudices, international cooperations, etc. Characteristic of attitude scale: it provides for quantitative measures on a one-dimensional scale of continuum. It uses statements from the extreme positive to extreme negative position. It generally uses a 5-point scale as we have discussed in rating scale. It could be standardized and norms are worked out. It discusses the attitude object rather than directly asking about the attitude on the subject. Examples of some attitude scales: number one, Thurston's techniques of scaled value and Likhart's method of summated rating. Limitation of attitude scale: an individual may express social acceptable opinion, conceal his real attitude. An individual may not be a good judge of himself and may not be clearly aware of his real attitude. He may not have been controlled with a real situation to discover what his real attitude toward a specific phenomena was. There is no basis for believing that the 5 positions indicated the Likert scale are equally spaced. It is unlikely that the statements are of equal value in fairness or against steadiness. It is doubtful whether equal scores obtained by several individuals would indicate equal favorableness toward against positions. It is unlikely that a respondent can validity react to a short statement on a printed form in the absence of real like qualifying situation. The last number is in spite of anonymity of response, individuals tend to respond accordingly to what they should feel rather than what they really feel. However, number B or number 2 is interview. Interview is a two-way method which permits an exchange of ideas and information. Characteristics of an interview: the interviewer can probe into causal factor, determine attitudes, discover the origin of problem. It's appropriate to deal with the young children and illiterate person. It can make cross questioning possible. It helps the investigator to gain an impression of the person concerned. Number 5, it can deal with delicate, confidential and even intimate topics. Number 6, it has flexibility, sincerity, frankness, truthfulness and insight of the interviewee can be better judged through across the questioning. It gives no chance for respondent to modify his earlier answer. Number 9, it is applicable in survey method, but it is also applicable in historical experiment, case studies and clinical studies. Merits of interview: direct research, deep research, knowledge of past and future, knowledge of special features. Number 5, mutual encouragement is possible, supra observation is possible, knowledge is historical and emotional causes, examination of known data. Disadvantages of interview: number 1, may provide misleading information, defects due to interviewee, low level of intelligence or may be emotionally unbalanced. Number 3, result may be affected due to prejudices of interviewer. Number 4, result may be affected due to the difference of the mental outlook of interviewee and interviewer. One-sided and incomplete research. Observation. Observations offer the researcher a distinct way of collecting data. It does not rely on what people say they do or what they say they think. It is more direct than that. Instead, it draws on the direct evidence of the eye to witness events firsthand. It is a more natural way of gathering data. Whenever direct observation is possible, it is the preferable method to use. Purpose: to collect data directly, to substantial amount of data in short time span, to get eyes witness first hand data in real life situation, to collect data in a natural setting. Characteristic: observation is systematic. Number 2, it is specific, objective, quantitative. The record of observation should be made immediately. Expert observer should observe the situation. Its result can be checked and verified. Types of observation. On the basis of purpose of observation may be the varied types like structured and unstructured. In the stage of observation, the observation is wide and unstructured, and as an investigator proceeds, observation gets restricted and structured. Participant and non-participant. In participant observation, the observer becomes more or less one of the groups under observation and shares the situation as a visiting stranger, an attentive listener, an eager learner, or as complete participant observer, registering, recording, and interpreting behavior of the group. Steps of effective observation. Number 1, as a researcher tool, effective observation needs effective planning, execution, record, and interpretation. Limitation of observation. Establishing validity is difficult. Subjectivity is also there. It is a slow and laborious process. It is costly both in terms of time and money. The data may be unmanageable. There is possibility of biasness. Advantages of observation. Data collected directly, systematic and rigorous. Substantial amount of data can be collected in a relative short time span. Provides pre-coded data and ready for analysis. Inter-observer reliability is high. Sociometry. Sociometry is a quantitative method for measuring social relations. जैसे आपने sociometry से social से आपने अंदाज़ा लगा लें कि what is sociometry. It is social relation. Sociometry is the study of interpersonal relationship between people in a group. The inquiry into evaluation and organization of groups and positions of individuals within them. The measurement of social interaction is termed sociometry. Sociometry is based on the fact that people make choices in interpersonal relationship. Whenever people gather, they make choices when where to sit or stand, choices about who is perceived as friendly and who not, who is central to the group, who is rejected, who is isolated. Purpose of sociometry. The purpose of sociometry is to facilitate group task effectiveness and satisfaction of participants by bringing about greater degrees of mutuality amongst people and greater authenticity in relationships. Measurement of relatedness can be useful not only in the assessment of behavior within groups, but also for interventions to bring about positive change and for determining the extent of change Sociometry can be a powerful tool for reducing conflicts and improving communication behavior because it allows the group to see itself objectively and to analyze its own dynamics. It is also a powerful tool for assessing dynamics and development in groups devoted to therapy or training. It shows the patterns of how individuals associate with each other when acting as a group toward a specified end or goal. And in my point of view, sociometry is the best way of observation or to record the data about research. Sociometry, use of sociometry. Sociometry measurement can be used to study the types of interaction and factors affecting the interactions. It is also used to measure a group characteristics such as cohesiveness, morale, bonding, etc. It can also be used to measure individual characteristics such as leadership, aggressiveness, liberalism, and conservatism. Any personality factor that is related to interpersonal attraction can be measured sociometrically. Sociometers provides a bird-eye view of a group structure and at the same time indicates the degree of social attraction possessed by members of the group. Sociometry techniques. Number 1, sociograms, sociometry matrices, guess who technique, social distance scale. Sociogram. And what is sociogram now? One of the Moreno's innovation in sociometry was the development of the sociogram. A sociogram is a graphic representation of social links that a person has. It is a visual representation of the interpersonal relationship within a group. Always start with a rough copy to plan the layout of a sociogram so that it does not become too messy or confusing. Production of sociogram, nevertheless, is the first and a very important step. Tests. Tests are constructed to test a group of a person to ascertain the prevailing condition with respect to the traits measured by the test. Tests normally used in research are achievement test, aptitude test, intelligence test, interest इन्वेंट्रीज, पर्सनल मेजर्स. ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है और पेपर के हवाले से भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है कि टाइप्स ऑफ टेस्ट. थैंक यू. आपको इन तमाम चीज़ों का पता होना चाहिए और अगर आपको वीडियो आपको पसंद आई है तो ज़रूर इसको शेयर करें, लाइक करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा. अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.